Virgin Money credit cards. Credit Bank Honest review. Watch before using. Most people assume all credit cards are basically the same, but Virgin Money offers a range of options with rewards, low interest rates, and perks that you need to know about before applying. Virgin Money is a UK-based financial institution offering personal and business credit cards. One standout feature is their flexible rewards program. Many cards offer cashback, points for purchases, and special introductory offers like 0% APR for balance transfers or purchases. Most people get this wrong. They assume high rewards always mean high fees. The surprising truth is that Virgin Money balances rewards with competitive interest rates and transparent fees, making it easier to manage costs while earning benefits. Another advantage is their mobile app and online management tools. You can track spending, set up alerts, and manage payments seamlessly, which is great for budgeting and staying in control of your finances. However, there are considerations. Some of the premium cards have annual fees, so you'll need to calculate whether the rewards outweigh the costs. Also, eligibility depends on your credit score, so not everyone will qualify for the most lucrative offers. In conclusion, Virgin Money credit cards are worth considering if you want a balance of rewards, transparency, and manageable interest rates. Always compare different cards, review fees, and make sure the rewards align with your spending habits. Subscribe for more honest credit card and banking reviews before applying to your next card.